Accounting for Sustainability, the neoclassical theory of measuring sustainable development. Given the neoclassical goal of achieving the highest possible per capita level of consumption of produced commodities and services for all times to come with regard to national accounting, the question arises whether it is possible to find single index number providing a valid and reliable statement on whether or not a society is managing its affairs in a sustainable manner. Does the current path of economic development ensure that future consumption per capita will at least it never be lower than today? Neoclassical economics is a broad theory that focuses on supply and demand as the driving forces behind the production, pricing, and consumption of goods and services. It emerged in around 1900s to compete with the earlier theories of classical economics. Neoclassical economics nag-focus niya sa demand and supply, kay ang economics nag-depends man na siya sa demand and then mag-produce din ang company kung pila ang ilaha ma-accommodate sa demand sa tao. Production, the cost of goods and pricing for their income. Neoclassical theory implies that consumer preferences are invariant with respect to their current endowment or consumption. Neoclassical theory nagdepends po ni siya sa consumption sa usa ka country or community na ang usa ka company na makasupply sila, then nagdepends po sila sa production, pila ang makost nila, then dito na sila mo kuan sa pricing na para maka-income po sila na mahatagan ang tanan na file tax ang ilaha kaugalingon, tapos na mapadagan pa nila ang company na magpadayon paghihapon for sustainable through the generations.